Right now, someone in your city is making more money from their phone than they ever did in a 9-to-5 job, and they are not selling anything shady. They are simply turning skills they already have into cash. Here's the part most people miss: you don't need a big investment, a fancy office, or even a logo. By the time you finish listening to this, you know exactly what skill you can use, the clients you can target, and the exact steps to start today. Most people are sitting on skills that could pay their rent, fund their dream trips, or even replace their jobs. But they ignore them because they think, "I'm not an expert. The market is too crowded." Or, "I need a certificate first." The truth is, clients care about results, not certificates. If you can solve a problem for someone faster, better, or cheaper than they can do it themselves, you have a business. The first step is what I call the skill audit. Write down 3 things. First, the skills you have. Things you can do well without thinking too much: writing, graphic design, photography, social media, teaching, cooking, anything. Second, the things people already ask you for help with. That's demand knocking on your door. And third, the problems you've solved for yourself. If you did it for you, you can do it for others. Circle one skill that feels easiest to start with. That's your cash skill. Now, here's the business model. It's so simple most people overlook it. Step 1, package your skill into a clear service. Don't say, "I do graphic design." Say, "I create 3 polished social media graphics for small business owners in 24 hours. Step 2, price it simply. Start low enough to attract your first clients, then raise it after 3 to 5 sales. Step 3, use free platforms to get noticed: Facebook groups, Instagram Reels, TikTok, LinkedIn, or marketplaces like Fiverr. And here's the secret sauce: don't just wait for clients to find you. Go where they are and offer help. To get your first sale, search Facebook, LinkedIn, or Instagram for groups in your niche. Comment with value, answer a question, give a tip, or share a quick win. In your bio, clearly say what you do. For example, "I help small business owners get pro social media graphics in 24 hours. When someone responds, offer them a quick, affordable service with a clear deadline. Over-deliver, ask for a review, and boom, your business is now real. Most people fail not because the idea doesn't work, but because they stop after a week. They expect overnight success, and when it doesn't happen, they quit. But if you commit to sending 5 to 10 offers a day for the first 30 days, you will get clients. You will get paid. And you will never see your skill the same way again. Your skill is a seed, and today is the best time to plant it. You can sit on it for another year, or you can turn it into cash starting right now. So pick your skill, package it. Post your first offer today. And you will thank God.